Hi, everybody. My name is Jordan. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be doing a 10-minute routine using your exercise ball if you've got one, and then a small set of dumbbells. I'm using 5 pounds, but you can scale up or back depending upon your ability level. The weights are going to be pretty much used for some upper body movement. So, first thing I'm going to have you do are just some rollouts. So you're just starting seated on your ball. Take your hands across your chest. You're going to go ahead and just walk yourself out all the way till that head meets the ball, using your core to walk yourself back up. And let's just keep going for a few of these, kind of warming up that core, warming up the hamstrings and the glutes. Good. Let's do one more of those, and then we'll be grabbing those weights, jumping right in it today to keep this routine quick for you. You can always pause the timer and extend out a little longer warm-up if you feel like you need it, especially if this is the first thing you're doing for the day. All right, so we're gonna start seated on that ball. We're gonna kick it off here with bicep curls. So just straight up and down. All of our moves today are going to be for 30 seconds. We're going to go 10 more seconds on this one. Good. Let's get that last rep done with, and then we're going to be walking yourself out just like we were in the beginning. Let's get back here a little bit. Head resting on the ball, so all the way out. And we're gonna go into a chest press. So press those weights up together and back down. Keep those hips lifted. Good. Awesome. Looks good, everybody. Let's go 10 more seconds. And we're gonna walk yourself back up again. We're gonna repeat both of those moves. Sitting up nice and tall, we're back to bicep curls. Make sure we're sitting right on the edge of your ball, keeping that back nice and tall. We're gonna keep going on these for 10 more seconds. Get that last rep done. And then you're gonna walk yourself out here one more time for another set of that chest press. Go ahead, take it out, press them up together. Time for 2 more. All right, you're gonna rest, but I'm gonna have you stay out here. We're gonna move on to 2 new moves. So this next move is going to be a tricep extension. So you're gonna take both weights, hold them here together, and we're gonna go ahead and lower right behind your head and back up. If the 2 weights that you have are too heavy, you can always just drop it to 1 weight as well. Gotta keep those hips lifted. Five seconds here, so grab that last rep. Arms straight up. We're gonna go chest fly next. So arms come out to your sides and back up together. Lower it down, little bend in those elbows the whole time, and back up. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, arms up together. Ten more seconds on this one. Good. Last rep. We're going to repeat both of those weights together, or drop one if you need to. We're going to go tricep extension again. Good job. 10 more seconds. And weights are going to come straight up, and we're going to go into that chest fly one more time. Out together and back up. Inhale, lower down. Exhale, up. Keep those hips pressed up. We've got 10 more seconds here with this move. And rest. All right, come on up here. We're gonna set those weights off to the side now. We're gonna work on some legs. So we're gonna take that ball and you're gonna go ahead and clear yourself a space against a wall. All right. And then what we're gonna be doing are some supported squats here. So you're gonna go ahead, take those feet about hip distance apart, and you're gonna squat down and come up. Squat down and bring it up. Good. We're staying here for 30 seconds with the squats. At the end of the 30 seconds, we're going to do a little squat hold for 10 seconds. Good. All right, and then ready to hold at the bottom here. Take it down and hold it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, we're going right back to squats. Up and down. 30 seconds. We're going to keep with these squats for 10 more seconds, and then we're going to go down for another 10-second hold. Good. All right, join me here. Take it down and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on up. All right, we're going to come down to the ground now. We're going to be laying on your back. We're going to go into some hamstring curls. So feet are going to be up on top of your ball here. Back flat against the ground. So hips are going to come up towards the ceiling. Keep them lifted here the whole time. We're going to curl that ball in and out. Take it in, extend it out. If that's too much, you can keep those hips down and just go with that motion here. And lower it down. We're going to take that ball now right between your feet, and legs come straight up towards the ceiling, squeezing and applying pressure in on that ball. You're going to lower the legs down and up. You can take that ball or those legs as low down as you are able to, setting your own intensity here on this one. Even if you're just moving it a couple inches, that's great. If this puts too much pressure on your low back, you can always put your hands under your butt for a little support as well. All right, last one. And we're gonna go back to hamstring curls once again. Legs up on top of that ball. Go ahead and press those hips up, and let's repeat. Ten more seconds. And we're going to go ahead and take a rest here once again. We're taking that ball now between those feet, legs straight up towards the ceiling. And again, lowering it down as far as you're able to and back up. Inhale down, exhale, bring it up. Good. 10 more seconds. Getting that last rep done. And rest. All right. So that is going to be it for your workout here today. I'm not going to include a cool down or stretch in it today just to keep the video short and sweet. So you can always add on your own thing after this. Have a great rest of your day, everybody.